and then I lost track of you. Um, how did you get arrested last night?
It was actually yesterday morning. I just turned myself in.
Say that again?
It was yesterday morning. I just turned myself in.
Oh, okay.
High-stakes courtroom morning. His judge handles a packed arraignment docket filled with interpreter delays, bench warrants, and urgent scheduling chaos. Bo Thomas Hike's probation violation case quickly escalates from routine check-in to serious consequences after going off the grid. Stay tuned for twists. Subscribe, like, and share for breakdowns now.
It is helpful if we could do these bench warrant arraignments while you're still here. I thought I had another one, but I guess maybe just this one. Laura got me, I think, all the information I needed. I've got to be in Niles in 12 minutes.
Don't think that's gonna happen.
They're going to zoom in.
Oh, so, okay. You have a chance then.
Well, I had that walk-in guy, and he took about a half an hour just himself. As I often say, that interpreter cases take 3 times as long. When we lose the interpreter, I have to mind shift back to regular speak. Thank you, gentlemen. Good morning, Mr. Hike.
Good morning.
I like your sandals. Oops, you shut the camera off.
Sorry, man, I can't get the camera for you for some reason.
Thank you. The chickens came home to roost and you somehow got arrested here last night. This is file number 231760, People versus Bo Thomas Hike. I'm here with Jeanette Jackson from the Public Defender's Office. You were placed on a deferred probation on our domestic violence, and you violated once. I gave you 2 days and put you back on probation, and then you bugged out, and we issued a warrant for you sometime last summer. The allegations are that you failed to report on a monthly basis on your probation, and you failed to complete the anger management. And then I lost track of you. How did you get arrested last night?
It was actually yesterday morning. I just turned myself in.
Say that again?
It was yesterday morning. I just turned myself in.
Oh, okay. Well, we need to get this case back on track. Where are you living?
Parents' house in Three Rivers.
Where?
In Three Rivers at my parents' house.
On Shorewood Drive?
Yes.
How long have you been back?
I've been there for a while.
Now, you had a union job. Where are you working?
Currently right now, nowhere, but
All right.
still have that job, so.
Well, we're gonna have to get this over with. I'm gonna show you plead not guilty. Set a PV hearing with your attorney Rhonda Ives. Her schedule is very busy and she's about to get married, further complicate things. But your bond's canceled. You had some deferred jail days You had that non-support case that got bound over to circuit court. Is that all taken care of?
Yeah, that's, yes, sir.
All right. You also have $600 for the unpaid fines and costs on some traffic stuff. And we'll try to deal with that as well. The good news is you don't have to look over your shoulder anymore. The bad news is you're in jail because you blew off this thing and you're going to end up with a domestic violence on your record that didn't really need to be that way. But you just sort of threw up your hands and gave up and went off the grid. I will set a PV hearing as soon as possible with your attorney, but I'm not gonna chase you around anymore. You're here. We're gonna deal with this. You'll come out the other side in a little bit. All right. I'll do that as soon as I can get it scheduled with your lawyer. Mr. Hike, you're good to go. All right, I'll see you in a couple of days. Today's Wednesday. Miss Jackson joining us by special guest appearance is Courtney O'Malley.
Hi, Courtney. That's why I didn't
From
recognize that last
Berrien
name.
County.
Morning,
Jeanette and I would
Judge.
be the only two people here that you would even know anymore, but we're both still here, so. All right, if you, as you can see, I just finished my arraignment docket. I had several cases that needed an interpreter, and I had a walk-in, and I had a bench warrant. So we're set to start in 4 minutes, so let me, stay with me. I'm
Okay.
gonna shut off the live stream.
Judge resets Bo Thomas Hike's case after probation violations, missed reporting, and anger management failure. Bond is canceled, and a PV hearing will be scheduled with counsel. Despite turning himself in, the court warns consequences remain, including domestic violence record and fines. Like, comment, subscribe for more shocking courtroom stories.